Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. We are heading out. It is so warm in Manchester today. Let's get into my outfit quickly. I'm wearing this tank top from Cars. This denim pants is thrifted. I'm going to fold it quickly. I don't know if this happens to you, but this is me. Sometimes you just want to wear a particular thing every day. I have another white sneakers here. Actually, 3 white sneakers. Actually, more than that. This qualifies as white. And I have this as well. There's another one. That one is in the back. I'm going to wear this scarf around my neck from Cos. These 3 bracelets. These rings. Ear cuffs. Wristwatch from Tommy Hilfiger. These sunglasses from Lee Specs. Tropical Rush from Veleda, Vanilla Cloud from Veleda, Super Milk body spray from Lush. I didn't know that this dusting powder from Lush can be on your clothes. I just found out. I was just trying to clean it up. That's really weird. I never ever knew this. I didn't know that it goes on your clothes. Because sometimes you just need to try something and then you find out yourself. This little tote bag from Cars. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.